welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, it's good to see you again, fam. I would like to take this opportunity and express my profound gratitude. Thank you so much, guys, for 1K subscribers. It means whatever I'm doing on this channel is meaningful and worthwhile, judging by the number of views, the number of subscribers, as well as comments. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. And just a quick reminder, I am a student teacher at the University of Johannesburg, and that makes my YouTube channel to be primarily educational. I assist learners from grade 10 to grade 12 with their set books. It can be isiZulu set books as well as English set books. Yes, especially isiZulu paper 2. Yeah. So if there's a book noma khona incwadi ofuna ukuthi ngiyichaze noma ngiyi-analyze, it can be yesiZulu or English, please just comment down below with the title of the book, nesihloko sencwadi, and then when I get it, I will definitely get back to you with the video. Yes, that's it for today, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, till next time, guys, stay safe. Thank you.